Give it a pull and you can remove your pinky finger. My finger actually drinks the water from the cup. Make money appear from your bare hand. Put it in your ear. My finger magically disappears. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 easy magic tricks with hands only. You're in my hands. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. Cool trick to show you with my pinky finger. Watch, I'm gonna grab the pinky and kind of loosen it up like this. Look, nothing in this hand. And pull the pinky off just like that. And then magically restored. Here's the secret to removing your pinky finger. So you're gonna make sure that you have your hands in this position with the palms facing up. Grab the pinky like this, and then when you show this hand empty, you're actually going to move the pinky finger back behind the other fingers just like this. So kind of curl it back like this so it hides behind the other fingers. You're gonna combine that with pinching your middle finger in between your index and thumb on this hand, and it really looks like your pinky finger right there, especially if you wiggle it back and forth a little bit before you pull it off. Then bring it back up, simply bring your finger back out like this, and it looks like your finger is magically healed back onto your hand. Here's a really amazing hand trick that you can do. Bare hands right here, and I have a cup of water on the table. Watch, I take my finger just like this, I'm gonna dip it in the water, and look what happens. My finger actually drinks the water from the cup. It was thirsty. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Grab a plastic cup to set this up and poke a hole in the bottom of the cup. You're also going to need a piece of plastic tubing like this. Is used for aquariums, fish tanks, stuff like that. Take the tube and plug it into the bottom of the cup just like this. This is very similar to the boiling water trick that you saw in our last episode of How to Magic, kind of the reverse of it. Once you have the cup filled with water, you're going to set it on the edge of a table just like this and let the tube drape across the back of the table, hidden below the table from the audience's view. Also add a rubber band to the end of the line so that the liquid does not leak out. You're going to have this below the table and have an assistant down there remove the rubber band and open the line so that the liquid begins to drain from the cup. You can have another cup down there to drain the liquid into, and it looks like your finger is just magically drinking the liquid inside the cup. So as the water leaks out the tube into the cup below, that water level sinks and it looks like your finger, your hand is just somehow drinking the water. And the beautiful thing about this is you can then pull your hand out, show your hand completely clean. Here is the secret to the magic squeaky hand trick. You're gonna need a pair of scissors and a dog toy. A squeaky dog toy. You can get these for like $1 at Walmart or Dollar Tree, Dollar General store, and it has a squeaker built into the bottom of it, so when you squeeze it, air is forced through this little nozzle right here and it creates a squeak sound. So we're gonna take our scissors and remove the squeaker. Carefully cut the toy in half, and once you get it opened up, you will see the little squeaker right there, and you can just pop it out. All you need is this little plastic piece right here. Then all you do is pop this in your mouth and hold it between your teeth. You're gonna conceal it with your lips. Please be aware this is a choking hazard, so be extremely careful. You're gonna put this in your mouth right here. As you breathe through it, the air passing through the little reed inside makes a squeak sound. So we can use this to make our hands squeak, our fingers squeak, our stomach, really anything. You squeeze your ear. So just work on the timing of making your squeeze motion match the sound. You can do it with a sponge ball, make it squeak, then hand it to your audience, and it doesn't squeak when they do it. The possibilities are endless with this, so get yourself a squeaker toy and try it out today. An amazing hand trick that you can do anytime, anywhere. So check this out, empty hands. If I take my fingers like this, watch, I can actually just pull that finger off of my hand just like that, and now it's magically restored. This is a super easy trick, so it should be a really easy walkthrough for you guys. This is all about timing and speed. So you're gonna practice this move. When this hand comes down in front of the other hand, here's what they're not seeing. This finger's gonna fold down at the first knuckle right here. So it looks like your finger is just cut off right here. Now you're gonna practice this move. As the hand spins towards the audience, that finger's gonna come up, and these fingers are gonna split right in the middle like you're doing the Vulcan sign.
Live long and prosper.
So practice your timing. As this hand comes in front, that finger folds down. And then the second part, the part you really need to practice, is as the hand flips, the fingers split, and then back. Boom, 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 boom. So what's really happening is you're creating this illusion of this gap here on the other side. You don't want to hold it too long though on this side, because then they'll realize that all 4 fingers are up. So just a quick flash on this side and then back to here. Just sells it in the audience's mind that your finger really is missing and it's not just folded back like this. And then it comes back over. You simply extend your finger up under the cover of the hand, and boom, it's magically restored. A simple hand trick that you can do right now. Here's a really amazing and easy magic trick you can do with bare hands. Show your hands empty front and back, just like this. Now look, if you could really do magic, wouldn't you make money magically appear from your bare hands? I know I would. I'll teach you exactly how to do this at home coming up next. Here is the secret to making a bill appear from your bare hand. When I showed you empty hands, that was a lie. There's actually a fake thumb right here. This is called a magic fake thumb tip. We have these available at evaneratv.com. That's our online magic shop. We have them available in adult sizes and kid sizes. You can do thousands of different magic tricks with a thumb tip, but one of the easiest things to do is to make something appear. Stay tuned if you want to win a magic thumb tip. I'm giving 5 away at the end of the video to lucky comments. So take $1, stuff it inside the thumb. Then you're gonna put that thumb on, just like this. Keep that thumb pointed at the audience, don't show it like this. You're gonna show your hands empty, you can show them front and back, and then you're gonna come into this position just like this, and you're gonna grab the thumb tip with your bottom hand. So here's a backside cutaway view that the audience is not seeing. So the hand comes down like this, this thumb pulls the thumb tip off here, and then you're gonna begin to slide that dollar out just like this in between the hands, and kind of just let it uncrumple just like that, and you're gonna palm the thumb tip in the opposite hand right here the entire time. Then when you hand this bill out to the audience for examination and all of their focus is here, it's the perfect opportunity to drop this hand to the side, ditch the thumb tip into your pocket, or you can simply slip it onto the thumb of the other hand. Then you're free to show your hands completely empty and clean and take your round of applause. Alright, it is bonus trick time. It's an extra magic trick for you. Take your finger and put it in your ear. Watch what happens. You can actually do it on the other side too. The secret to this one is really simple. You're just using your tongue inside your mouth and pressing it into your cheek in time with you pushing your finger into your ear. Don't press too far, you don't want to hurt your ear. Let's start out like this and kind of move it in like that, combined with sticking your tongue into your cheek. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Almost 80% of the views on our channel come from people who are not subscribed to the channel. So if this is your first time watching the video, or if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now. You can get notifications every single time we post a new video, and it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. That is 5 magic thumb tips to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win is be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll be going through the comments and choosing random comments and mailing out the magic to you. Time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Check the description of the video for instructions on how to claim your prize. Be sure to check out evaneratv.com. That is our online magic shop. You can get magic thumb tips and a ton of other really cool magic tricks, and we ship them all over the world, so no matter where you're watching from, you can get a big box of magic delivered to your door. The link for that is in the description at evaneratv.com. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, catch up by watching it right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.